Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, and Mirror. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. Here you find the steps to finalize this 3D solid part. In step 1, we sketch the profile of position 1 and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Next, we define the position of the center of the other curve. Convert this line to construction line. Position the rectangle parallel and symmetric to the construction line. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then set the length to 5 mm and symmetrical. In step 2, we sketch the profile of position 2 and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate again the sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Sketch the profile in similar way but in opposite direction. Remove unnecessary edges and curves. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then set the length to 5 mm and symmetrical. In step 3, we sketch the middle part of the solid part and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Next, activate the centered rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle on the horizontal axis. Extract the reference curves to define the center points. Now we sketch circle profiles and then position them tangential to the rectangle and the curves. Next, mirror the circles about the horizontal axis. Now, remove again the unnecessary edges and curves with the trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then set the length to 3 mm and symmetrical. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. In step 4, we sketch the position for profile and then we remove material from the created part with the help of the pocket tool. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Activate the Slot tool and sketch the slot on the horizontal axis. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 0.75 millimeters. Next, select the Pocket and then activate the Mirror tool. In the dialog window, select the option Base XY Plane as a mirror plane. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. Now, I will show you how to create a 3D text on the 3D model. First, switch to Draft Workbench. Next, select the face and activate the Utilities tool and then select the option Select Plane. Activate Shape from Text tool and then set the position, the size, and the text type in the dialog window. In the string field, type a text what you want. Next, select the text type from Windows Library. Change the size and the position of the text if it is necessary. Now switch to the Part Workbench and then extrude the text by 1 millimeter. In this View and Date window, you have the possibility to fine-tune the position and also to change the appearance of the text. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.